Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drive belt on this 2012 Hyundai Elantra 1.8. This one's got 4 pulleys, and then the tensioner's right here at the alternator. What you do is you loosen up this bolt. It's a 12 millimeter. This one's a 14 millimeter. You loosen this one up first. It's a 14 millimeter. Then you loosen this one up. It's a 12 millimeter. Then you loosen up this alternator bolt right here. And then what happens is once you loosen that, your alternator will drop. You loosen this one a little bit more, and then it will drop a little more, and then eventually you'll be able to basically push your alternator up and down. At this point, it only drops down and so much. So what you want to do is pull the belt out of the water pump right here. You're gonna slide it out. If you do it through the bottom, that's way easier. Or if you remove the tire. What we did is we lifted the car up and then just got slided out of the water pump. So we replaced that one. We replaced this one right here. So we got the new one on. You do the same thing backwards. You bring this, you make sure it's all on there right. Then you tighten this bolt. This one. Then you go to this one, and then finally you do this one over here, so backwards. And then make sure your belt is on there and it's not coming off. Make sure it's not loose, and then you're all set. Like and subscribe.